Hi guys, welcome to a new video on the channel and thanks for tuning in. Thank you also for the new subscribers. And today's video is going to be about the Italian history, a piece of Italian history. What you can see here in the back, it's a Vespa. And what we are going to do with the Vespa? Well, it's all about the exhaust here. The exhaust comes loose and is very hard to fix under the motor here, and there is a difficulty because you just can't reach the nut and the bolt together, so we are going to weld the nut here so that we are able to deflate the tire and to put the bolt inside here and to fasten it like this. That's what we are going to try to do here on this Italian history, this Vespa here, this beautiful piece of history. So stay tuned for that, guys. So the first thing that we have to do is clean it and remove all the debris and degrease it and remove the rust before we can weld it on here. And you can see there is a lot of dirt because it's really an old Vespa. So that's what we're going to do and right now. So the welding of the nut is done and the bolt fits really well in there. So now it's just a matter of reassembling. It's on the wrong place, it had to be here, but as the saying goes, only clever people can make mistakes like this. So I did cut the nut loose and re-welded it on the right spot again. And here it is assembled. Again, I just have to fasten the bolt a little bit more so it will never fall off again. So this is again a wrap for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel also, and find us on Twitter, Instagram, and hit the bell icon also so you won't miss out on any future videos that are going to come with great content for sure. So see you in the next one.